guys, welcome back. You know what? I just finished another video where I cleaned that. It's ready. The product I used had zero slickness, in my opinion. So I want to add some slickness. I want to use that product that the sun is coming out. It's going to be okay. It's about 76 degrees right now. And something that doesn't really streak can be used on all the surfaces of the exterior of the car. And we are talking about HyperClean's Slick. It's a silica spray added on top of your ceramic coatings, your waxes, your sealants. Use them in the glass on the trim. Let me get a towel here. Just picked any random nice soft towel. It's gonna work good. And let's go apply this. I'll show you how it is. Very simple product, really good, nice, easy to use, and it doesn't streak. All right, so we've got the HyperClean Slick. It's the perfect silica spray, they say. And actually, I can concur that it works really well. So you want to shake it up real good, get it all mixed together, give it a spray, and you could spray the towel if you want. That's fine too. We'll do the towel here. And it just feels good. I'm applying it. I haven't wiped it. It's amazingly slick underneath it, guys. So this is one of the most slickest sprays, no pun intended, that you can find, all right? So now let's flip it back over. Let's hit this side where I sprayed it. And even when you're applying it, it feels a little bit slicker, but when you flip the towel over, it just glides on it. Ooh, it feels like I put a layer of something buttery soft on top of there. That's really, really nice. Let's go over here. Let's play with it in the sunlight. Let's do this panel here. Here's two nice sprays. Let's get our towel. Let's wipe it in. Oh yeah, that's so easy. Flip it over. Woo-hoo-hoo. Very good. How about on the glass? Let's put it on the glass right here. All right. So I sprayed it on. You can see it. Flip it over. This is the test. It's sitting right here in this glass. It's sitting in the sun. Let me get out of your way here. Let's check it out. Very nice. All right, guys, so we're using the HyperClean Slick, and HyperClean's products are really good. So I've purchased the Echo One that contains Slick in it. Now, when you use these products as much as I do, you run out of them. So the next purchase is you get the Echo One Concentrate, which is 32 ounces. Now, this is a costly little bottle here, but it dilutes into 5 gallons of product. So in other words, about 6 ounces, a little over 6 point something ounces makes a gallon. So you can make about 5 gallons of it. Now, if you want this to have the SLIQ, you just get a little bit of the SLIQ product and you can pour it in there. All right, so to make this is their Echo 1. So to make this, we've already did about 6 ounces into the gallon of water. We're gonna add a little bit of SLIQ. You know, you can add an ounce or 2 into there and you're all silicaed up, guys. It's ready to go. Now it's working like the Echo 1 infused with SLIQ. So now we'll shake this up. We've got SLIQ we put inside it, and this can be used to fill up our Echo 1. Now infused with SLIQ once again, just like the way it comes. All right, you can also use this 1 ounce per gallon for your rinseless wash. You guys, this product here is phenomenal. Same like this makes this. This is one of my top favorite waterless rinseless washes. Very, very slick type of product, and it leaves protection there. Love it. All right, so we've got our 2 bottles there. All right, guys, I'm gonna take you over here and show you the test cars and what we're doing. All right, so we've got 2 different panels here. One panel we've washed just a little while ago, and something like this is not feel slick. It is a scratched up panel. I didn't do that. This car just sits here. So you would apply SLIQ to a panel like that, and it has no slickness on it. But after you apply it, I mean, I can feel it already, guys. I can feel the slickness. It makes a huge difference, and this is in the sun. This is very hot right now. All right, so that makes a huge difference. Very, very slick. Now, what do we do over here? We got Echo 1 that we just made up, and we added some SLIQ to the Echo 1. So now Echo 1, which is a waterless spray, Let's go ahead and clean this door. Look at the dirt on that. And I tell you what, so this one I did with the waterless. It did not, that was Griot's waterless. It did not feel slick until I put SLIQ on it. This is Echo 1 with SLIQ, and it feels very, very good. It's been cleaned. It feels fantastic. Here's the dirt. So you got the 2 products, guys. If you don't have any slickness, you need SLIQ. You're gonna need it anyway. You add that to your rinseless washes. And you know what? I'm gonna start adding it to any rinseless wash, see how that starts working out. And that I want more slickness and protection from. So I'm gonna have to get like a gallon of that from HyperClean, start adding it. I think that's gonna be something I'm gonna start doing now. Finally, another way that you would use the SLIQ product would be to get your hose. You would wash your car with your shampoo, your soap, and you're gonna use it as a drying aid. So if you wanna spray it on wet, that's fine. If you wanna blow dry it and then spray it on the car and dry it so it helps with the lubrication of the drying, absolutely nothing wrong with that. That's actually the way that they recommend using it. And I recommend you guys try this out. Add it to your rinseless washes, add it to their Echo 1. And if you have the concentrate, if you have the ready to use, you don't need to add it. But this stuff's fantastic. And like I said, spend the money on one of these, make your gallons. It's well worth it once you start doing that. All right, guys, well, that's my take on the SLIQ from HyperClean added to the Echo 1. If you guys have tried these products, let me know what you think. I've always said that they're fantastic, and I think you guys should try them. So let me know in the comments if you have and what you think about them. All right, you guys, what if you want to go a little overboard? So we get our Echo 1, gonna spray it, gonna spray our panel. That's our waterless wash. We've got our towel going here. So slick under this towel. All right, so we wash, look at, that's how dirty that is. It doesn't look dirty. Now we're gonna take SLIQ and we're gonna hit it 2 times. Take our towel, we're gonna flip it over and we're gonna go over this panel, including the glass. Flip our towel around. Just make sure we got anything off there. I mean, it's going overboard, but because this, we've added SLIQ to it. Cleans fantastic, adds protection, and then we're coming back as the drying aid with the SLIQ on top of it. Man. Ooh. That's hard to top, guys. That's hard to top. I'm telling you. Look at that.